let's talk about it. Tax time. Do you hate it? Is it something that you dread doing? Looking for those documents, expenses, tracking all your income at the end of the year, paying Uncle Sam. Is it something that you hate doing? I know, but that's only because you, as a business owner, are not setting yourself up properly to have a smooth tax season at the end of the year. What do I mean by this, Nikia? So, number one, if you have a bookkeeper in place, a right bookkeeper that's keeping track of everything and is sitting down with you every single month going over your numbers, you will not have that issue. Because once they are done at the end of the year, they will give you this profit and loss sheet and you will take it to your tax person. This tax person they get on the profit and loss, which is your expenses, your income, your net profit, everything that's on that profit and loss, the accountant has it right there. So it's actually easy for you to transition at the end of the year if you are just taking one document over to your tax professional that most likely has everything else already for you, and all they need is your profit and loss. So you don't understand how convenient and game changer that will be for you. Now let's talk about you owing a high tax bill. And when I say high tax bill, I'm meaning at least 10K and up. And if you have a bill higher than 10K, 15K, even 20K and up, that means you did not do your due diligence by getting someone in place to do some tax planning for you. Sometimes, like I stated before, your CPA may not do tax planning. And guess what? Your CPA is not going to advise you to do tax planning because he or she doesn't do it. They don't want you to go elsewhere. It's your job as a business owner to go find someone that knows how to tax plan. You can still keep your CPA, but at least you have a tax planner there if needed. It's best if you have someone that does both. And it's even a blessing if you have one person that does all three: your books, tax planning, and tax preparation, which is what we do. But yes, definitely if you have everything in place before the end of year, know your numbers, know how much you're going to pay. Don't let that be a surprise. Oh my God, I have to pay this amount. It shouldn't be a surprise. You shouldn't not know your numbers after the year ended. You should know your numbers beforehand because your bookkeeper will be good enough to let you know your numbers already by the end of December. So overall, it is your responsibility as a business owner to go this year and get your books in order, get the right accountant, tax specialist, tax strategist, whatever you want. Make sure you get the right one. Invest into yourself and your business. Stop looking at the fee for bookkeeping and things like that as a problem. This is an asset. Not only is a bookkeeper going to save you money, help you save, and make your make your tax transition smoother, they are an overall asset for you. So definitely invest into a great bookkeeper, and then also make sure you do your due diligence in making sure your accountant is going to sit down with you before the end of the year and put some tax strategies into place. That is how you have a smooth tax year. Talk to you soon.